Hey, all right. Let's go through today's price action analysis of Bank Nifty futures using 1 minute candlestick chart. We'll analyze every single bar and see what it is telling you, and based on the clues that are being dropped, we will decide if you want to take a trade or not. So yesterday was a bearish day with price falling down significantly, and it closed at its low, uh, and the price opened down, gap down below yesterday's low, and it did try to go down further, but it couldn't manage, and bulls at least were able to hold it from falling further down. Bar closed bullish, but it is a trading range bar with tails on both the sides of the bar. So a trading range bar. So based on this, we might get a failed breakout opportunity at either ends of the bar, and based on that, we'll take long or short trade. But right now we'll wait for further price action clues. Bar 2, bullish bar, and bulls try to hold the price inside the bar 1's range. Bar 3 broke out above bar 1 high, and it did manage to close above bar 1's high. So possibly bulls are taking control, at least for the first 3 bars, but we'll wait. Bar 4 is a failure, wherein bears sold the higher prices, and it's still below yesterday's low, the dark red line, which is the possible resistance. But this bar 4, did not cover much of the breakout bar, which is bar 3. So I wanted to wait for further price action. Either we get a second entry shot, or we wait to see what else develops. Bar 4 was a bearish bar, strong close at its low. So if we still get a continuation, and there's a possibility that failed breakout is confirmed, and we can look at shorting. That's exactly what happened on bar 5, wherein bears continued and the bar closed at its low, and I was ready to short. This is a failed breakout wherein bar 3, 4, and 5 present a pattern which is a failed breakout 3 bar pattern, and I go short below bar 5 low with a stop loss of 10 points, risk and target of 30 points as a first target, and after that we'll look at the resistance or support, or 100 points, right? So in this case, support is around bar 1's low. That would be the next target to hit. Third entry trigger on bar 6, nice bar closing at its low. Bar 7, again nice bearish bar, and we got our 30 points target. We entered at around 16817.5, and then we got out giving this bar, right? And that gave us a 30 points profit on the part position, and then we moved the stop to break even for the remaining one, right? Price did not continue to go down. Instead, bar 8, bulls bought the close of bar 7 and pushed the prices up, and closing quite way up, covering the range of bar 6 and 7 bear bars, right? And this is providing the support around bar 1's low. Bar 9 was a good follow through for bulls, which is a sign that bears were not strong enough, and our break-even stop got hit on the remaining position. So we got 30 points on the bar position, and the remaining was covered at break-even, right? Bar 9 closed strong, but still near. It tested the low of bar 4, so possibly that short was tested. So we wait for further price action. Bar 10 is a doji bar. That's an indecision. If bears were strong and this is going to fail, We expected a strong bear bar and prices to continue to fall down, but that's not the case here. Bar 11, bears tried one more time, but bulls provided the support, and that's why you see the tail at the bottom. So it closed midway. So if you look at the overall price action till bar 11, bar 1, bar 7, and bar 11, these are the three pushes down that were attempted today by the bears, and they failed. Okay, so we look to get long above bar 9 high. Okay, that will be a long entry, assuming that the bears that who sold on bar 11 are getting trapped, and looking at the overall context, bulls are showing strength. Bar 12, bulls did push up, and it managed to close at its high, but entry has not triggered yet. The long entry triggers on bar 13, and it did manage to close at its high, but not the strong bar that we would expect. Bar 14 follow through, but again not much movement. Okay, and then bar 15 through bar 21, price just languished there, try to go up and down, not much movement, and it almost came to hitting our uh, stop loss, but we were saved by just a point or so. Okay, so our entry for this long is 16,849.25. Okay, and this came close to 16,840. We used 10 point stop loss, so we just missed it by few ticks. Okay, it came down again 16,841, so we were saved by almost a point uh, or so. And then you can see that this level was being held. Okay, this is the level which it broke in the morning, and this was being held. And bar 23, this was the last attempt by the bears, which couldn't succeed, and bar 24 it gapped up. You can see this closed bearish, but this is gapped up and pushed the prices up. So possibly this was the last attempt by the bears, which failed, and that's why you see bar 25 breakout, testing the yesterday's low, and that's where we got 30 points of profit target. Also, that is a resistance for today's price action, and hence we book the complete position and not the part. Okay, so that's it for today's price action. In 30 minutes, we got two trades, both were profitable. First one gave 30 points on part, and the remaining was booked at break even, and the second trade gave us more than 30 points. And that's it. Hope this helped. Thank you.